case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1893, the Iowa Supreme Court heard State v. Kealy, a case focused on the idea that a person can be charged with a crime they were not extradited for, as long as they were indicted properly, regardless of how they got to the state. The defendant faced 2 charges: obtaining money under false pretenses and forging a promissory note. He fled to New York but was brought back to his home state, where he was indicted for the second crime while in custody. The defendant argued that because he wasn't extradited on the second charge, he could not be restrained and required to plead to it. However, the court disagreed and required him to plead guilty to the indictment. Subsequently, he was sentenced to 2 years in prison. The case raised the question whether a person extradited on one charge can be held to answer to a different offense, without being given the opportunity to return to their state of asylum. Ultimately, the court affirmed the district court's judgment and maintained its previous ruling. Overruling the defendant's motion, the court stated that he could be restrained on the second indictment, despite not being extradited and unable to return to New York. As a result, the defendant received a 2-year prison sentence for the second crime.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.